In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create basic branded Facebook posts really simple and really easy by using Pixteller. Pixteller is a really good place for designing basic information, basic content, basic graphics that you can use on social media, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. My name is Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Click on the link below in the description box for you to be access to the Pixteller. It is my affiliate link for you can get signed up just to let you know there and become a Pixteller Pro member for you can get access to everything unlimited. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. Now, when you get to the Pixteller page just like this, and you know this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account, you know that. And that's why we're doing this today. Let's go to the Facebook post and create a good Facebook post. This is very basic and very easy. So when you get to that page, we click right on the Facebook post. And right now we're looking at some Facebook, posts that's already been created. Now you can use any of this and just edit the content. So for instance, you can click here and just edit the text. You can just edit the text and make it yours. That's completely fine. Now, you also can do is just start completely from scratch. And so let's make a good motivational post, motivational with a nice background and some powerful messages. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do, let's get a good image. Click on image, and then we can search in the box though. It says search for images. That's why it's good to be a Pixteller Pro member. You be access to all these photos and more. The free version, you don't really get access to a lot of it, some of it, but the Pro member, you get access to a lot more of the pictures. So if I click on beach, it's gonna bring all these beach pictures up as it does right now. So let's do beach. And if I say, okay, let's get this beach picture. So we're gonna create a post, something really basic and really easy. So here's the post. I'm just gonna spread it out like so. Spread this thing out. So now that's a really nice piece. That's a nice picture of an ocean, Look like maybe the Atlantic Ocean. But anyway, let's get some text. So the next thing I want to go ahead and do is actually get some text. So if I go here, design, and go to text, I'm going to add text. So the text here, I'm going to go ahead and say, this could be any message. So if something motivating, something can inspire. So this is what this Facebook post will be all about. You are number one. You are number one. And so here, let's say that's going to be the action example because you are number one. So let me go ahead and change the font. You can change the font here. I'm going to go to Cool Vetka. And then I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. That's maybe too big. So I can just kind of play around with it, which is really, really cool. So you are number one. Now I can change the color. I can make it to white if I need to, or black. So this is just a basic example of how you can do this. You can make this whatever how you want it to be. I can make it in the middle. I can change where the positioning is. And then I can add another text and say, I could say maybe from me. I could say, voila, something simple, something basic, something simple. Actually, I can make this a little bit bigger if I need to, spread it out. And I can change my font here. I can go to, change the font here, go back up. You can, and play around with the fonts as well. Sometimes it may take some time to find the right font that works for you. But I like Atom Pro and Cool Becca when it comes to some of this stuff. And so let me go ahead and do this. So you are number one, Shelton. So that's my message to you. You are number one. And I'm saying that because you're watching this video, you're learning how to brand yourself on social media. And this is basic. This is really easy. You can use Pixteller to do this. And it's that simple. The text, nice color. You can kind of change around with this here as well, the opacity. So I can change the opacity, make it lighter. So I can change the opacity a little bit. I can add other images in here, other stuff in here, other transparent images. but I can actually change the filter a little bit. So like the border, I can change the border, make it white, and then make that a little bit, look at that, stand out a little bit if I want to do that. See that? Maybe do the shadow, do the same thing. A little white shadow. So you can just kind of play around with it. It's all about your imagination. And check, actually I can make this yellow. So I can make the border gold. You know, just playing around. And I can do the same thing to this. The border, so all I'm doing is changing the border. And just making that bigger. You kind of see that. And look at that. And number one, can make that a little bit bigger probably. Adam Shelton. That's it. Very, very basic, very easy. What else could we do? We could just find another image. We can say, you know, let's see, I can even do this. Let me see if I can find something else. Go one. I was trying to find like the number one transparent. I'm gonna see the number one, or just type in number one. So then I could just do this, you know, gold. This is the transparent one. This is something you can do. I can change that to 1 if I wanted to. Say, hey, change number 1. Move that there. Take this out. And move this. This is just playing around with it. You don't really have to do it that way. I actually like the other way better. So yeah, I like the other way better. I'm just showing that you can add other visuals in here as well. And you can just kind of play around with it, have fun with it. So I can just click on undo to do that. So play around with it. The next thing you want to do is just save it. So I can actually title it at the top here. I can say Facebook post image 1 and save the post. And then the next thing I can do when it's saved, I can download it. So now this is the post. I can right click it and copy. So I can right click and copy. I can use this image. Then if I need to go back to make any changes. And I'll just show you exactly this place, post it on Facebook. So look at this. Let me go to Facebook real fast. Log in. And going to go here. And check it out. So basically, I'm going to download this. I'm actually going to copy it. I can save it, of course, but I'm going to copy and see if it goes right into this actually area. Look at that. For that, I'm going to move it to just only me and show you how it looks. Look at that. That's how it looks. See that? You are number 1, Adam Shelton, in Facebook post. And then from here, what I would do is just add some testing here. You are number 1. Don't forget it. And done editing. And so you can do that. And voila, we went from Pixteller. Now I just copy and save. You can save it on your computer and get it from there. Completely can do that. I just right clicked and just copied it and just put it in, just pasted in there. And that's a good Facebook post. Good branded Facebook basic post. People will look at that. Wow, I'm number 1? Really? So this is something you can do. Stay tuned for more actually videos that I'm going to be doing to helping your brand. The basic fundamentals of just building your brand, you know, standing out using Pixteller. So we're going to do another video over Pixteller in terms of another piece of how you can brand yourself with basic branding tips from here, from this channel, Adam Shelton. I'll be delivering it to you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because this is a place to be, to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. I'm Adam Shelton. You are number 1, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the link below in the description box to become a Pixteller member, and I'll see you on the next video.